Beauty is more than appearance. It is a language, a universal one that reconnects us through sight, touch, and shared moments. In a world moving faster than our emotion can keep up, we scroll, we swipe, we post, we perform, and still, we keep searching for the same thing, something real. Beauty comes in as a counterbalance to this acceleration. It brings back the human connection that we all crave. No surprise then that the beauty industry has outpaced most of the consumer categories over the past decades, staying strong even under tough uncertainty. So here is our challenge. How can science go further to create stronger, more meaningful beauty connection? Last year, we explored the link between the skin and the microbiome to prevent aging. We also showed that reconnecting genetic pathway can support longevity and health. This year, we go further. We introduce 3 innovation breakthroughs that all celebrate the science of connection. Let's discover them together.
If beauty reconnects us on the outside, true reconnection begins within, in the way our skin repairs, rebuilds, and communicates. The skin is our first line of defense, a complex and dynamic structure constantly renewed. When this barrier is disrupted, fast and coordinated repair become essential. Recent research published in Nature in 2019 revealed the critical role of bleomycin hydrolyse, an enzyme influencing both wound healing and hydration. It helps maintain epidermal integrity by modulating protein processing and supporting cellular reconnection. Understanding this mechanism opens new perspectives for barrier repair. But one key question remains: how can we accelerate the reconnection between cells to restore the skin barrier more efficiently?
This question is more relevant today than ever. With the boom of aesthetic treatments, the need for effective post-procedure and healing care has never been greater. Our historical expertise led us many years ago to a very specific form of hyaluronic acid, Pramalial 300, that showed a unique capacity to improve natural microbiome defenses while stimulating both proliferation and migration of skin cells, key factors for a healthy repair process. After screening multiple molecules and HA grades, our intuition was confirmed. This hyaluronic acid specifically reactivates bleomycin hydrolase, supporting skin repair and cellular reconnection. In various studies, from ex vivo to clinicals, we observed a strong improvement in the skin barrier by boosting ceramides, the natural cement connecting our skin cells together. After a fractionated CO2 laser procedure under dermatologist control, it significantly accelerated recovery, reducing redness, enhancing hydration, or even improving comfort. In short, we deliver a powerful science-backed solution that truly helps the skin to heal better and faster. Now that we have rebuilt a strong, healthy skin barrier, properly functioning, we face a new challenge. How can we connect beneficial molecules from the outside with our skin cells? Many promising cosmetic actives face limitations. They can be too large, like high molecular weight HA. They can be too polar or effective only at concentrations that risk irritation, such as with retinol. While it protects us from external aggressors, our skin barrier also makes it harder for those molecules to penetrate the skin and deliver their full efficacy. So, how can we ensure that hero ingredients actually reach the skin's depth if the barrier is doing its job so well? Our goal was clear: to find a smart way to deliver these molecules deeper into the skin. In a nutshell, enhancing their penetration, boosting their efficacy to lower the dosage, keeping in mind that we wanted to create a versatile solution, usable in any type of skincare formulation.
Thanks to our new microencapsulation technology, we were able to take on and solve this technical challenge. Our scientists created a new generation of transparent microcapsule called Vectorial, an innovative delivery system engineered by leveraging the skin affinity of hyaluronic acid and applying precise steric constraints. This molecular architecture forms a unique interface with the skin, delivering precision, biocompatibility, and high performance. We demonstrated a controlled penetration reaching up to 60 micrometers even for macromolecule, with a refined skin distribution. Activated by skin enzyme, the system released molecule exactly where needed, ensuring an optimal efficacy. With Vectorial, we succeeded in reconnecting molecule with skin cell. Connecting molecule with cell is one strategy. Another is to look deeper into the skin unexplored compartments, because skin is far more than a barrier. It's a living network of cellular connection where sensory neurons play a vital regulatory role. Our recent research uncovered the direct link between this neuron and skin aging. With time, they become fewer, less functional, and their communication with surrounding cell declines. This dysregulation in a neuronal dialogue impacts epidermal renewal and fibroblast activity, reducing extracellular matrix production and accelerating aging process. We call this phenomenon neuro-skin aging. By revealing this new pathway, we open a new dimension in the understanding of skin aging, a discovery recognized among the top 10 scientific breakthroughs at the IFFCC 2025 in Cannes.
In this project, we had to find efficient ways to act on skin neurons. We took inspiration from biology itself and from key molecules essential to life, amino acids. They are known to influence neuronal activity. They can act as neurotransmitters, stimulate NGF production, or support mitochondrial function. But designing a powerful ingredient was not easy. Amino acids differ in charge, chemistry, or polarity, and they barely reach deep skin layers because they are quickly metabolized. So we used the skin's natural affinity for hyaluronic acid, just as pharmaceutical science when they use HA as a carrier. This led us to design a unique HA-based amino acid complex, inspired by microneedling, capable of delivering this mix very deep into the skin. Primalial NeuroUse was born. With this new active ingredient, we demonstrate a remarkable restoration of skin homeostasis and neuronal growth through an NGF-like activity, efficiently helping to reverse neuro-skin aging.
Our research goes deeper than rebuilding skin homeostasis. At the surface, sensory neurons are actively involved in touch, translating mechanical stimuli into perception. To understand how aging affects this sensory dimension, we conducted a clinical study on more than 100 women and men across different age groups. The results were striking. With aging, the touch reactivity decreased significantly, showing a drastic shift around 45 years old. By restoring the useful state of the sensory neuron, we can potentially revive the sense of touch itself. This is a real scientific advancement for the beauty industry, redefining how we can perceive skin aging, where feeling becomes the next frontier of skin rejuvenation.
That's the beauty of primalial NeuroUse. Its wonderful versatility that we demonstrated on more than 120 volunteers at the clinical level. Now, thanks to our research, we know the benefits on nerve fibers go far beyond touch. It contributes to the overall skin quality. We confirmed a significant reduction in wrinkles and fine lines, along with an improved dermal tension for an optimal skin's firmness. These results reveal a powerful rejuvenating effect, equivalent to more than 5 years younger in apparent age. But from a very different perspective, we also observed impressive results on the sense of touch, with a clear restoration of the skin's sensorial function. Volunteers recovered a touch perception similar to much younger skin, by almost 30 years. And this was actually perceived by 60% of consumers evaluating the product in real conditions. And beyond this sensory dimension, we observed a meaningful improvement in well-being. Participants reported enjoying much more the feeling of a face massage highlighting how neuronal rejuvenation can truly enhance daily comfort to make everyone's life happier and healthier.
The beauty industry hasn't grown just because it makes us look good. It has grown because it makes us feel something, feel restored, alive, connected. At Givaudan, we believe that connection can be more than an emotion. It can be a science that pushes boundaries, reconnecting skin cells together, improving molecular communication, and restoring the skin sense of touch, a sense so essential to our shared humanity. Now we invite you to explore this science of connection with us, to create new links between your brands and your consumers, to build a world in which technology and touch, science and soul come together, so that in the end, we all feel more human, more beautiful, and ultimately more connected.